guys, welcome to our video this week, and today we will learn about converting fractions to lowest term. So let's have an example here. Okay, so I would like to demonstrate this situation. So for example, I have this, and then I would divide it by 2. So since this is one whole, and then I divided it into 2 parts, therefore I can say that this is 1/2, or this part is 1/2. If I will get the same figure, then I will divide it into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will get 2 of the parts. I will get 2/4. If you can see, the parts that I have in here, the shaded part is equal to the shaded part of the second figure. So therefore, they are technically equal. Okay? So we can say that 1/2 is actually equal to 2/4. Or, so since 1/2 is equal to 2/4, then how could this be? 1/2 is technically equal to 2/4. 2/4 appears to be bigger because it's not on the simplest form. So that is our lesson today, to know how to convert 2/4 into 1/2. So to do this, what you will need to do is actually to factor out 2 and to factor out 4. Or you can also say that you will need to find the greatest common factor of these two numbers. Remember our lesson about the greatest common factor? Alright, so remember, to get the greatest common factor, we will need to do a prime factorization of 2. So 2 is actually a prime already. Then 4 is actually equal to 2 times 2. Then 2 is equal to 2. So our greatest common factor here is 2. And then we will just need to divide it on our numerator and denominator. So ang answer is 1/2. So 1/2. Alright? Let's have our example number 2. So let's have this example. 3/9. So to do this, we will need to get the prime factorization of 3 and 9. So 3, since 3 is prime, we'll leave it at is. And then 9 is actually equal to 3 times 3. So get the common factor, and then we would say that 3 is the number in which we divide this fraction. So divided by 3, divided by 3, so this is 1/3. So the lowest term is, or the lowest form is 1/3. How about 12/14? So 12 is equal to, then the prime factorization of 12, that would be 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? Prime factorization of 14 is 2 times 7. And then, I'll need to pair. So 2 parehas nila. So therefore, you can say that you can divide the top part and the lower part by 2. The answer here is 6/7. And this is the lowest term of our fraction. Let's have another number here, number 4. So we say 10/5. Okay, so what is 10/5? We'll say 10. Prime factorization of 10 is 2 times 5. 5 is already a prime number, so we'll just write 5 there. So we have the same factors of 5. So we can divide this by 5 and divide this one by 5. So the answer of our numerator is 2/5 divided by 5 is 1. Or we can just simply say 2, because 2/1 is 2. Then number 5, we have let's have 16 over 12. So 16 over 12. Let's have 16 over 20. Alright, so 16 over 20. 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is the prime factorization of 16. 20 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. So how do I know this? Because I already know what are the prime factorization of these numbers. So I simply go ahead and write the prime factorization of each number. But if you don't know how to do the prime factorization, go back to the previous video and watch it. The video about prime factorization and getting the greatest common factor using prime factorization, so that you better understand this. Okay, so this topic just mainly focuses on converting fractions into lowest term. So we just need to pair it up. So we have 2 times 2. Okay, parehas na mo na siya, parehas na mo na siya. So therefore, ang atong greatest common factor is 4. So we can divide the numerator and denominator of 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4 over 20 divided by 4 is 5. So this is our lowest term. Okay, so that's it for our video this week. See you guys on next week, and stay awesome. Be a math hero. Goodbye.